Oh. I don't feel like something like this has happened in a long time.
You miss me?
I missed you, Z. Today, Clevy, Johnny, and Z. Z, it's been so long. Welcome back. And you're riding a Triumph, and I'm not going to be smacking my own mirror.
Your mirror for you.
I probably deserve it. Guys, we're doing something special today. We're going to go all the way down to LA. We're going to meet with Henry and David Haddad, the channel partners. We're going to have lunch with them, and there's a spicy challenge involved.
No more.
You did this once years ago, and you failed at it.
The worst of the worst.
We're going to give you the pass, but Johnny's going to do it, and so's David. Jitlada, don't you wanna? Bike's acting weird today. So it's good to have the full crew back. Dude, we got Cleb, we got Johnny, we got Z. Are you kidding me? This is great. Now if we can only find Klaus. What's wrong? Oh, he's gonna jump in the bush. Is he using the restroom? I think he's taking a piss. Jitlada, man, this place is gonna be good. A lot of food challengers hit this spot, man, because the spices, it's ridiculous. Z tried it a few years back and it was miserable for him. But David, Henry Haddad's son, he's a spice freak too. So we get to torture him for a little while today.
You had a malicious look on your face when you came over here, but then you didn't do anything.
I know, I wanted to do something. I didn't know what to do. I might still do it. If I only had a match.
Dude, I can't believe you still have this bike.
This bike's unstoppable, man.
When are you gonna get rid of it?
Never. Wow, it's weird seeing you riding a motorcycle.
I know.
Does it feel weird? Do you remember how?
I feel like a kid again.
Good. That's the point. I got some new gloves. What do you think? Huh? Everything I ride in is pretty dingy. So like having new gloves, all bright white and the white spots, it really bugs me. It's like when you're a young kid, you used to play outside all the time, then your parents bought you new shoes. They're so bright they glow. You almost feel like you have to scuff them up a little bit. Otherwise, everybody's gonna be staring at your bright ass shoes. So at Jitlada, they have this book that everybody signs whenever they do the spicy challenge. We signed it years ago. I wonder if it's still there. It'd be fun to find our entry. It's always good to hang out with Henry. Obviously, I want to remind you that he's the channel partner. He's very important to this channel. He can't tell me any stories about you. All that stuff's pretty private. But I know a lot of you guys are utilizing Henry in his law services. All you guys watching, all you guys that have been with me for all these years, just like Henry has. He's there for us, man. Use him. And that's why we got Johnny, Z, and Club all out, man, because Henry's been good to all of us. Look at that guy. My man. You got way over for us. I like that. You don't have to get way over like that. Just kind of stay in your position. I mean, if you want to get over a little bit, that's cool, but as long as you don't make any erratic moves, we're good, man. You don't have to go all the way by the wall, man. There's a lot of nails and debris and shit. We don't want you to get a flat tire or, you know, mess your car up, or even kick a bunch of rocks and shit up at us. Or maybe that's your intention. This isn't sketchy. I don't like this. This sucks. All right. Oh shit. We got spotted twice today. I like that. I would have given that dude a sticker, but we're running like so late. There's so many people behind me, I didn't want to jam everybody up. Look at the prisoner bus. I wonder if they have windows. They look out. Those guys are in there cooped up, wishing they're out here on this bike, man. I feel for you, man. My memory serves me correct. It's up here on the left. We made it. So you're doing this challenge.
Yeah,
You've heard about this before.
I've heard about this. I saw Z do it. Z, you're my influence, man. I'm following.
Do you have any advice?
No.
Smart man.
I'm gonna watch. I don't want to suffer.
You know all about this. How confident are you that you're gonna knock this one out of the park?
With only 3 people, I would say it's like a 30% chance.
Johnny, you haven't had a lot of luck with spice challenges lately. You failed one last week.
Redemption time.
I can only handle so much. This challenge by far was the hardest.
Are we gonna bet on this? From 1 to 10 level.
I'll do a 3 to 1 odds. So if I win, I get paid 3 times.
You gotta take pictures of this.
Okay, that's pretty big, man. Wow. That's pretty good.
You wanna say a prayer?
Cheers,
Bow
man.
down.
Okay.
Love God.
Are you just going for it?
Yeah.
Oh, first bite. Hey.
It's good, man.
There goes the guy.
It's great.
Sounds really tasty. It's spicy.
The heat is on.
Yeah, it's really spicy. Yeah. Is it tasty though?
Very tasty.
Tasty. These are completed on top.
I remember this one was hitting me hard.
I got it. This is like intentionally ridiculous. Oh my god.
Yeah. These are just like.
This is not even a dish.
How many bites? It's like 3 bites.
Yeah, this is not a food.
Yeah. Like 3 bites.
Are you guys doing a dynamite challenge?
Yeah.
I kind of want
How are you holding up?
We're not. Okay, now my face is going numb. Yeah, just pain.
And hyperventilating is not going to help at all.
Right, it makes it worse.
There's no way.
Progress, okay?
More than a lot of people can handle.
I'm like shaking, man. I know.
I'm so used to seeing Johnny with that face where he's just like that.
I'm almost on the verge of hallucinating.
It's affecting you in every capacity, your mental function. You got a daredevil here, okay.
Yeah, tell us what's on your mind. What's going on?
You have no idea how hard it is to take this bike. Like,
Yeah.
Pain.
With all the oils and the shit.
Wow.
Hallucinating and I can't feel my tongue.
I pushed myself past one time and it hurt. I just feel burning through the stomach.
I mean, don't you just burning your stomach, burning your nose?
Like, do they eat like this in Thailand? No, this is like the absurd. This is like a joke.
Yeah.
This is like a joke you give somebody.
Yeah.
Even if it's like life and death situation, I don't think I can finish it.
Yeah, literally.
I'd be like, okay, like I'm gone, you know, I'm a goner.
Ooh.
You done it or no? No. It's starting to go through the intestines.
Visiting.
Come on, man. Dude, I got you, man. You got it.
Wow, I'll eat like this.
Challenge.
All right.
Okay.
Health.
Oh, you're doing another bite?
Enjoyment, wonder, being pleasant.
Much love,
and
guys.
Joining our brothers here.
Joining our brothers.
All right.
Here we go. No joke.
Back half of my tongue is numb. Like there's a dividing line.
Oh yeah.
Maybe the chili stuck in there.
I got you. Yeah, you got
So you guys surrender? Throw in the towel?
Yeah. I surrendered to the Tao.
That's a happy Johnny right there.
Do you have anything to say?
I feel like I'm the joke. I got punked or whatever. Dynamite.
Z, you didn't do the challenge.
Been there, done that, and happy to not do it.
And sign the book.
And I signed the book.
Johnny, how about you, man?
I can't handle that, man. It's not even food.
It's not?
That's poison.
poison, dude.
And you, sir, second challenge on camera.
Second challenge on camera. Couldn't hang.
Would you be back? Will you do this again?
No.
That's it.
That's it.
Henry, you played it safe just like me.
I was next to them and I saw the struggle and the agony and I felt for them.
What'd they say? Only 2 people in the history since...
Three people total and like 1 person's on the wall.
And this place has been around since 1971. All right, Henry, thanks for lunch as usual. Before we get out of here, you know, you're a man of wisdom. Maybe we could ask you a couple questions and get some tips.
Again, you always hit me up with questions while I'm digesting.
I'm sorry.
But I'm ready. I'm always going to be ready.
I'm going to make it easy on you, right? When does somebody not need an attorney?
A good question. I'd say if you get in an accident and all you have is property damage,
Yeah.
or minor injuries, you can walk away from it.
We see the buses, we see the bus benches and the billboards. There's lawyers all over the place. How do you know when you've got a bad lawyer?
You look at a number of factors. One, do you actually meet the lawyer? Can you talk to the lawyer? Is he or she there? Number 2, experience. Do they know what they're talking about? Is there open communication? Do they keep you on top of the situation? Not every case is a smooth trajectory, straightforward case.
Right.
Sometimes there are hitches and bumps along the way, and if the lawyer communicates with you, then if it's just money, 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 run. Run. There are a lot of factors,
Yeah.
but I think for me, it's communications, contact, and establishing a lawyer-client relationship.
I like that. We've been working together for a long time, man. You're one of the good ones.
Yeah, thank you.
Now you're dealing with insurance companies non-stop, I bet. Pain in the ass, I'm assuming. How do you deal with underinsured motorists?
I think people have to realize that insurance has 2 aspects.
Right.
One is to protect you when you're at fault in causing an accident, so you have to have enough coverage to protect your individual assets. And the other part is when you're involved in an accident and the other party doesn't have sufficient insurance. So you need to have insurance with high uninsured motorist coverage.
Yeah.
To protect you, especially bikers. At least minimum 100,000
Sure.
Because the injuries most bikers suffer are tremendous. So if you don't have that and someone who's at fault has a minimum policy, you're only going to get 15,000. And that's not enough. Most of the time it's not enough, not for a biker. And loss of earnings capacity, losses add up. So
Right
you need
on.
to have coverage to protect you, both for times that you're at fault and when someone else is at fault and they don't have enough coverage.
Sure.
Keep that in mind.
That's some good wisdom right there, Henry. How many accidents have you been in?
I thought you forgot.
Like 10?
I counted like 12 or 13.
But the last one was really bad.
Last one was really bad, but you know, Henry was there from day one.
Yeah.
And Henry, I worked with Terry over there, and they're good people, and they really helped me out.
All right, well, we're gonna get out of here, but any final words?
Final words, just be safe. Don't assume other drivers know what the rules of the road are, and just watch out for yourself and for everyone else.
I know this whole thing seems kind of salesy and markety, but this is what we were gonna do anyway. We figured, why not just make a video out of the whole thing? Anyway, what do you guys want to do now? Let's go get a cheesesteak. We're in the area. Let's go. Are you in?
I'm down for whatever you're down for.
He's in. You're in? See you later, Henry. Take care. Thanks for everything.
All right, thank you.
Jitlada, man, that was hot. Yeah, we all tried some of it, and oh my god. Oh, look at all these Priuses. How you feeling, Johnny? Out of the 2 challenges, the peanut challenge or the Jitlada challenge, what would you rather do again?
I'd rather do the peanut challenge.
Technically, we're the only ones who completed it because we got challenged to have a bite.
And we did.
We did.
Oh, fuck. I don't feel like something like this has happened in a long time.
Dude, are you okay?
I'm good.
Is your frail little body okay?
I'm good. Ah,
Do you miss me?
I missed you, Z.
Do you miss me as much as I miss booze?
I'm gonna help. I broke my wrist.
God damn it, Z. You need to get a motorcycle because I need to destroy the son of a bitch.
Oh yeah, you can't even retaliate. Yeah.
You know we just had lunch with my lawyer, right?
Oh yeah.
What's up, man? How are you?
Man, I like just drive up and I like hear the bikes. I'm like, I know that sound. I've literally been watching it since 2014. Like, it's kind of weird. Like, I was in, I think 7th grade, and now I'm freshman in college. So, I've been watching for a while.
Yeah, is your dad gonna bite me?
No, he's friendly.
Come on, dude, just pet him. Give him a good pet.
He's got a muzzle. It scared me. Well, you remember Z from back in the day, right?
Yeah, yeah. But it's been a while. It seems like you haven't been in very many videos.